Hi guys, I'm Khaja. Welcome to SAP E-commerce Planet. Today I am going to show how to install AWS like Amazon Workspaces client. So let's see. Just type here Amazon Workspaces. Enter. Navigate to. Okay. So this is the clients dot amazonworkspaces.com. So here I'm using Windows machine, so here there are a lot of options. Um, so according to that machine or like OS, we can install the setup, relevant setup. So download the Windows version, Windows setup. Okay. So now set up this Amazon Workspaces. So double click on it. Next, and I'm selecting the second option. So we can select any option that depends upon the requirement. So click on next. Click on next. Install. It will take some time, so let's wait for some time. So it's asking uh, permission, so yeah, I'll give the permission. Yes. So the Amazon Workspaces setup almost finished. So click on finish. Now we'll get this desktop icon here, and so we can now start working on this Amazon Workspaces. So this is all about installing the Amazon Workspaces. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this.